While we are in Varanasi, which will be voting on the first, here's another state that's going to polls on the first, which is West Bengal. An aggressive election fight playing out in Bengal. Let's quickly talk about the latest attack coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Remember, there's a lot of exchanges, political exchanges taking place over the Calcutta High Court order, and in the latest, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has hit out at the TMC with regards to its opposition against the Calcutta High Court order. And the Prime Minister says that मुसलमानों को खुश करने के लिए टीएमसी वाले बोल रहे हैं कि कैलकाटा हाई कोर्ट का फैसला नहीं मानेंगे. लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम द प्राइम मिनिस्टर.
साथियों, टीएमसी ने पहले असंवैधानिक तरीके से 77 मुस्लिम जातियों को ओबीसी घोषित कर दिया था. लेकिन अब जब हाईकोर्ट का फैसला आ गया तो इनके लिए कराए पर पानी फिर गया. अब हाईकोर्ट का फैसला तो इन्हें मानना ही पड़ेगा. इनकी साजिश पर ब्रेक लग गया है. लेकिन फिर भी मुसलमानों को खुश करने के लिए टीएमसी सरकार ये कह रही है कि वो हाईकोर्ट का फैसला नहीं मानेगी.
Let me go across to my colleague Kamalika joining us with more. Kamalika, we've heard it from the Prime Minister, host of BJP leaders. The Prime Minister has repeated that charge in West Bengal. He's going to be holding a massive roadshow, and so is Mamata Banerjee. How has Mamata Banerjee been opposing the BJP's attack?
See, Mamata Banerjee has been from the OBC issue. The day when the Calcutta High Court order came, Mamata Banerjee clearly projected that it is the BJP government who is behind this order, and also stated that BJP government is anti-minority and also anti-OBC. They don't want that the minorities should get reservation, and that's why it is their plan. So definitely war of words is going on between BJP and Trinamool Congress, and today none other than the Prime Minister himself has hit out and said that it is because of the minorities, Muslims, that's why the Trinamool Congress government does not want to accept this order. On the other hand, the Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee has also said that BJP government does not want minority reservation, and that's why they are doing it. So they are doing divisive politics. It's an aggressive campaigning in the last phase, in the slog over of election, I'm telling you, and 1st June is going to be the last phase election. And we see that both Mamata Banerjee and Modi, they are actually
versus diversionary tactics attack that's coming in from Mamata Banerjee, an attempt to divide, she says. We're tracking that very closely. Kamalika, will come back to you in just a bit, and also with lots more that we've tracked and covered in Varanasi. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.